In Victoria, Australia, the roundabout exit signal rule is an if practicable. The student driver in this video is turning right, taking the third exit, but their wheels are pointing to the right while the body of the vehicle is aiming for the exit. So a left signal to exit is necessary to help with traffic flow. I'd love to know your thoughts. How often do you see drivers using their exit signal, no matter what country or state in Australia you are from? Do you also think the student driver's exit signal could have been on for longer? Let us know in the comments. I will now let the original video play. Enjoy and thanks for watching. At the roundabout, turn right, taking the third exit. Good. Take your time.
And towards the area as well.
Good. Good. Very good. Very good. How did that feel?
Yeah, pretty good.
Fantastic. Smooth exit signal. Notice the end.